Maria Talan from Montreal, Canada asks, Hi Swamiji, why is it so bad to live in the Matrix since we live 99% of the time there? Would it be possible to live instead in an enlightened way inside the Matrix?
The question is, hi Swamiji, why it is so bad to live in the matrix since we live 99% of the time there? The whole question is wrong. Please understand. First of all, some understandings about Matrix. The Matrix movie roughly gives these principles, but not completely. So if you have watched the movie, what I say you can compare and understand to the level it fits. Neo is the seeker, you. The spaceship is Bidji. Artificial intelligence, what I call artificial ignorance, is all the things we gave life but which does not have an existential reality life. It does not have an existential life. Concept of currency, concept of ownership. You own this land, you own this property. Existentially, it does not have reality. It's a common understanding between all of us for certain reasons. Reasons are different. Reasons justify the existence of the law, but reasons cannot give life to that existence. Understand? Yes, people argue, hey, we need a ownership idea, only then we can all live safely in our boundary. Yes, this logic gives reason for this law to exist, but this law is not existential reality. It has no life. So understand, many things which we gave life artificially, but which does not have an existential life, concept of currency, concept of ownership, concept of citizenship, all these, concept of boundaries, all these which does not have existential reality, which are not existential reality, which is made as an understanding amongst us, is artificial intelligence, artificial ignorance. I am not saying having them is bad. I am saying having them as the authority is bad. I am not saying having them is bad. I myself have a land document for this property where you are sitting. But this property is not my goal or the purpose. Purpose is to enlighten you, which is existential reality. Understand? If the life as existential reality based goal and all this artificial ignorance is supporting it, great. Money is great if you have a purpose. If money itself is a purpose, you are under matrix. If you have a purpose, for that purpose, to make that purpose into reality, you need money. Then great. The purpose of your existence should be based on existential reality. It should not be based on artificial ignorance all of us created. Understand, artificial ignorance all of us created is only a supporting mechanism, support system. Concept of currency, concepts of citizenship, concept of ownership, all that. Actually, most of us even forgot they don't have life. We are so long involved with that matrix so much, even your biomemory, muscle memory level, you started believing it has a life. Understand, if your goal is existential reality. For example, the oneness you radiate, which expresses as love, is existential reality. But the marriage certificate you develop is mega matrix.